Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is the theBigtallpunjabi here. It's my second video explaining who is a shipper. Shipper basically is somebody who consolidates the freight for you and lets you take it out off of their dock, right? Let's say you're a customer, and basically if you need to ship something, you will need to give it to a shipper in order to professionally ship it out. Here are the main characteristics of a shipper. A shipper is actually a person who is entrusted with the responsibility of transportation of goods and commodities. In the shipping industry, a shipper's role is very vital, something that can never be overlooked upon, right? Shipper, in addition to transportation of goods, are also responsible for packaging and tagging of the goods. So proper labeling is also required. Let's say you're sending somebody to something to Winnipeg, and then you label it as Calgary, it'll be misshipped definitely. So the shipper is responsible for labeling it correctly. Just like one shipper is engaged in packaging and transporting the goods from one place, there's another shipper who is in charge of receiving the cargo. We're gonna get to it. I'm gonna put out another video which will tell you who is a consignee, which means who is a receiver. There's another way of saying receiver is consignee in terms of transportation keywords. If the cargo is not packaged or labeled correctly, then the other shipper will be the one who will be having difficulty in recognizing the freight, right? Shippers, as mentioned earlier, are an integral part of the shipping industry, but it also needs to be known that they have so integral right from the time the shipping industry came into existence and over the years with development that has been taking place in the shipping sector. Their role and scope has only increased manifold. Basically, they are the sole responsible people of putting your freight into the right hands, right? If they ship it out wrong, let's say into a wrong trailer that's not going to the final destination that you're supposed to send it to, it is again the shipper's responsibility to take care of that. And then we move on to something which is like deeper knowledge about a shipper, like something known as shippers association. I came across this keyword in terms of my research. It is only in USA right now. There's none of it happening in Canada. They're not for profit basis, and they're extremely successful in the US. So they're basically not only agents. Shippers are not only agents, but they also provide services that reduce a lot of cost for the shipper. That means for the customer who's trying to ship it out, and for the person who wants to receive it, right? Who's buying it. So they basically cut short the timing and the responsibility on each head. Like and share this video and subscribe if you haven't. Thank you for watching.